Let's begin our today's polity quiz. Which British official had ultimate responsibility for Indian administration after 1858? The correct answer is Secretary of State for India. Which act officially ended the East India Company's commercial functions? The correct answer is Charter Act of 1833. Which act first introduced the open competition system for civil services in India? The correct answer is Charter Act of 1853. The Indian Councils Act of 1890 allowed legislative councils to. The correct answer is discuss budget and ask questions. Which act first separated the legislative and executive functions of the Governor General's Council? The correct answer is Charter Act of 1853. Which act first gave power to the local governments in India to impose taxes and punish for non-payment? The correct answer is Charter Act 1813. The term British possessions in India was first used in which act? The correct answer is Pitt's India Act 1784. Under which act was local representation introduced in the Indian Legislative Council for the first time? The correct answer is Charter Act of 1853. What key administrative system was formally recognized under the Indian Councils Act of 1861? The correct answer